So hello everyone, my name is Arish. I have made this whole thing by myself. My mama did nothing. So this is a NASA rocket construction build set. So it opens also. And this is the rocket. Ah! What is happening to my rocket? Now this is closed. So okay, the first part is this small gasoline.
This is gasoline.
Yes. So this is the pipe, and then the tanks will help this to connect this, matlab the rocket, and then the oil will go down there. Yes. So this is the launcher. If we turn down the boost, it will fly.
Thank you for explaining it so beautifully.
There
I have
is more.
no idea about rocket launcher.
So I have stick the stickers on the rocket, and this is the fire coming out. These are the windows,
Okay.
and this is the most important part.
What's this?
This is the main part, that it will recycle water to drink.
Okay. I have no idea what he's explaining, whether correct or not, but still if he's explaining it with confidence, I loved it. Because I've never ever taught him regarding rocket and rocket launcher as such things. Thank you, Mama. So happy that I've made it in 2 days, na?
Yes.
And today my Nanha Rozeda, it's 3 Rosa of this Ramadan.
I know.
Yes, 3rd Rosa of 2026. Alhamdulillah. Thank you, Mama.
Bye bye, everyone.
Bye bye, everyone.